Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm doing a collab today with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy and Starch and Stitches with Karyn. And what we're doing is we're taking Blythe dolls and we dress them to 1950s clothes with I Love Lucy, with Lucille Ball. I tried. My hair, I had this plan, but I don't have hairspray and I don't want to put glue and stuff in there. So I used a bunch of bobby pins, and that's what they did in the 50s. And it just didn't come out like I wanted it to. Now you know why I wear my hair down and do nothing with it. The outfit that I chose for Lucy was one that she had when she and Desi had moved to a farm, old farmhouse, and Ethel and Fred had come to visit them, and Lucy had bought all these chicken eggs in incubators, and they all started hatching at once. And perhaps you know that show. And Lucy was running around the house in her capri jeans and her little shirt. The collars were actually bigger. They were the same fabric as the shirt, and they were big, and they were, the fabric was about this thick, and you tied a bow in it, and so the big bow sat here. But the sewing machine and I fought over that, so I ended up using a little bit of ribbon, but you get the idea. Darren printed these I Love Lucy stands. I absolutely love them. We did one in black and white, which is the color or the way that I Love Lucy's show started. But then as time went on, they came out with color. And when she was, I think it was Lucy Carmyle. Oh gosh, what was the name of the show when Mr. Mooney was her boss? I can't remember. I can't think of it. Maybe it was the Lucille Ball show. Anyway, this is my Lucy, and I want to thank Tammy and Karyn. Please go by and see what they have for you today. I'm sure they're much better at hair than I am. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Ooh, don't be too mean. And subscribe.